Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shaughnessy, and on this channel we discuss fragrance, beauty, and wellness. And if you simply like to have a good time and you like my vibe, subscribe. So you all, today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few perfumes that I feel are great for those sultry summer nights. So we're just gonna go and get right into it. So the first one I have is The Only One Intense by Dolce & Gabbana. This is a smooth, fresh, fluffy, sweet coconut floral scent. You can pick up that woodiness in the base, a slight smokiness from the cedar. This is what I call a sweet, seductive scent. When I first blind bought this after hearing so much hype about it on YouTube, it didn't blow my mind because it reminded me of a fragrance that I really did not like at the time. But now I smell this and I am in love, you all. And I can just see, you're dancing somewhere at night and you just smell, like I said, sweetly seductive. And that is Dolce & Gabbana, The Only One. Okay, next we're going to talk about Versace Crystal Noir. This is your spicy, creamy, musky, floral coconut. This is what I would call mysterious. This is your confident woman. This is not a woman who is like, oh, I hope I get their attention. This is a woman that's confident and says, if I get your attention, good, but I really don't care. This is so good. And this is another one. I was not impressed with it. Well, I didn't spray it on my skin when I smelled it at Ulta the first time. And then I sprayed it on my skin and I fell in love with it. And again, that is Versace Crystal Noir. Okay, next we're going to talk about Givenchy's Hot Couture EDT. And this is one, if you know, you know. This is that type of fragrance. This is your sexy, smoky raspberry that smells great in the heat. I remember I tried to wear this when it was cooler. I mean, it was okay, but in the heat, it brought it to life. And this is just intoxicating. I can just imagine, let's say, one thing I used to like to do a lot is go to like jazz concerts at night outside in the summer. I don't even know if they had, well, this is Texas. I'm sure they got it going on, even with everything that's going on. And I could just see being out at a jazz concert at night, it's a little humid, but you got a little breeze, because it's hot even at night here. And you just have that breeze going and it has that smokiness to it. It's just good. I really like this. And like I said, if you know, you know. The next fragrance we're going to talk about is Kilian After Sunset. And this is so apropos for this video. This is a peachy floral musk. And it gives me like sweaty, sexy, and not sweet. This is kind of what I would call a dirty peach scent. Like, think of you're sweating, but you still smell good. That's what I get from this. So let's say you're out dancing somewhere, getting your groove on at night. And then, this I think would mix well when you get hot, a little sweaty. And you still just smell good. Good I'm gonna leave it at that. You still smell good. And that is Kilian After Sunset. Okay, I have another Kilian fragrance I'm going to talk about, and that is Rolling in Love. Look at that bottle. And I'm the type, I would be like, let me find a red dress or a red outfit I want to wear and then bust this out. Oh, this is milky, sweet tuberose with some musk. A little nuttiness. I would call this very sensual. I would see you going out with your husband on a date, romantic date, and then you come back home and then you want to refresh and you want to put this on. Rolling in Love. I love this. All right, the next fragrance we're going to talk about is Carolina Herrera's Good Girl Legere. Threw you right there, didn't I? Now this is your smooth, citrus, creamy, sweet, a little musky, woody, floral fragrance. And this is what I would call, you smell delicious and playful. So this is, you're not, you're just going somewhere at night, even to the movies, out to dinner. This could be casual. This could be dressed up some, but you just want to smell, you don't want to smell too serious. This is good for that. Just going out on a nice outing with your friends even, or on a date, and you just want to smell delicious and playful. I love it for that. And my last fragrance I'm going to talk about, which is very similar to Good Girl Legere, but there is a difference. That is Roberto Cavalli Gemma di Paridisso. Now this one is smooth. It has that pear. It has that jasmine, vanilla woodiness, but it has a freshness to it also, and a sexiness. Now this is one I would call effortlessly sexy, a little sultry. This is, I'm not trying, I just am. That's what I love. That's what I get from this. That's what I love about when I wear it. You could be dressed to the nines and still wear this. You could be dressed casually, but still wear this and just feel like you're smelling just effortlessly sexy. That is what it gives off. That's the confidence it will give you, because sometimes fragrance can make you feel a certain way when you wear it, and I love it for this. Going out at night, like I said, you can dress it up going at night. You could be casual going somewhere at night, and it would still give that nighttime, effortlessly alluring scent, and it'll give you that aura also. That's what I think fragrance can give you, like an aura. And love it for that. Now I just want to say, all of the fragrances I mentioned, I've worn them all in the daytime, but they will work quite well at night also. And these are the ones that just stood out to me, and I didn't want to have too many. So, and I'm looking at them right now, and I just want to go put them all on just from smelling them from this video. I love them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below telling me, what is your favorite nighttime fragrance in the summer? And please share this video with everyone who loves to look, feel, and smell fabulous in the summer, especially at night, since that's what we're talking about. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will never, ever, ever miss any of my videos. And as I always say, if you like my vibe, subscribe. Until next time, bye.